Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Shian once again, and I want to thank you guys for the love and support, for subscribing and for liking, commenting. Guys, I really thank you. So in today's video I want us to continue with my first video. We'll do a part 2 of me planting a cactus in the kitchen garden. Yeah, let's do this. So these are the fruits of the plant that we are going to plant. Yeah, this one you might think it is onions, but they are other things. Yeah, let's go plant. So guys, this is the thing we are going to plant. We shall plant this one. Yeah, I think you buy it at the market or anywhere at the tree beds or whatever. Yeah, this one. If you do a good research, you will realize it has so many advantages. Yeah, like I have heard that it reduces the results of cancer. Yeah. Let's go plant and wait for the results. So guys, we are going to dig this hole as big it is, and make sure you have mixed the manure well with the soil. Yeah, so let's plant. Make sure the soil has reached the half of the cactus. Then you water, but for me I'm not going to water because it is raining. Yeah, so guys, let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.